Well, welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop, or should I say kitchen. That's right, we're back in the kitchen. I got my grilling shirt on. That only means one thing. We got some more smoking to do. So stay tuned, let's find out what we're doing. Okay, yeah, what we're doing today is going to be a pulled pork brisket. What I got is about an 8-pound brisket pork. It has the bone in it. And if you want to, it's up to you. If you want to trim up some of this fat, we got some on this other side. Me, I'm going to leave it like it is. It really don't have that much on it. The butcher did pretty good on here. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it like it is. I got some yellow mustard going to slather on it. Then we got some southern seasoning blends. I like using Cajun blend. We're going to wrap the smother it all on here. Then we're going to throw it on the pit. Right now I got my pit setting at 225. We're going to set that for about, I don't know, about 7, 8 hours, 6, 7, 8 hours. And we're going to smoke it. Now I'm looking for an internal temperature of 160 degrees. And then we got another step to do on that. So let's go ahead and put this on, and then we'll see where we're at in about 6, 7 hours. Alright, let's do this. Alright, got it pretty much covered with some mustard. You don't really need all that much, just get some mustard on it. And then let's do some Cajun seasonings on it. Get some on sides here. Flip it on over and do that side. Alright, looks good like it is. Alright, let's go ahead and put this on the pit. Like I said, it's at 225 right now, and we're looking for an internal temperature of 160. Alright, let's do this. Well, okay, we got the butt out. It's looking really nice. I love the way it feels. It's almost ready, but I'm going to do one more step to it. Now then, I'm going to want to put some apple cider on it, but it's going to pour all over the place. You can put this in a bowl and then pour it in there and then wrap it up. But I got an easier step for you. The night before, go ahead and take your apple cider, pour it into these Ziploc baggies, and then throw them in the freezer. What that does is freezes your apple cider. Now you can take them and just put them all over the butt right now, and you don't have to worry about it pouring out, because it won't. Alright, now this is roughly about 2 cups of apple cider. So yeah, go ahead and freeze them and just go ahead and use them like this. Real easy. Next step, what we're going to do is wrap this butt up and put its butt back in the pit. Get rid of this. Alright, let's say we wrap it up now. Alright, that's looking really nice. Now then, I pulled this butt out about 160, and what I'm going to do now is put it back in there, put the probe back into it, and we're looking at going to about a 190, 200, somewhere in that area, and then it'll be done. We're going to let it rest, then we can rip it apart and make our pulled pork sandwiches. All right, so let's do that. Okay, here we go. Went ahead, I even let it rest for about roughly 4 hours now. So this is the actual butt, already done and complete. Alright, let's just see how tender this thing is. Let's go ahead and take this bone out of here. We don't really need that right now. Done. All you got to do now is just start tearing it apart. This is, like I said, it's going to be pulled pork sandwiches. So how do you make pulled pork? Well, you pull the pork. That's all you do. Alright. Now what we're going to do next to this, you can do it individually or you can do this entire batch, your choice. But you're going to add some barbecue sauce to it. Maybe get that onion, slice it up, put that on top of it, and put it in between two nicely done buns. And that's your pulled pork sandwich. Alright, let's go ahead and let's give this thing a taste, shall we? Tell you right now, this is a very tender pork. I really like this. Oh yeah, very nice. Flavor spot on. Tenderness, very nice. So yes, this is a very successful cook here. Really love it. This is going to supply us with a lot of sandwiches here very soon. So yeah, if you haven't got you a smoker, go ahead and get you one. I highly recommend the Pit Boss. Very nice. It's a pellet grill. You got to get you one of those. So very good. Alright. Well, if you haven't seen my other videos on my cooking segments, please go back and check them out. I'll leave some links after this video is over at the end of it, so you can go check some of them out. And tell me what you think, alright? Yeah. My name's Shane. This is Shane's Hop Shop, or Kitchen. We'll see you next time. Very nice. Yeah.